Hey yo, what's good in Hoodie My Cheese? Today we're in Lisbon, Portugal. We literally just arrived. You can see it right here. What does it say? Chegadas, arrivals. And this is the aeropuerto of Lisbon, Portugal. It's pretty late outside already. It's like 10 o'clock. The sun has gone down. So this is not gonna be a long travel vlog, me doing all kinds of things. This is just me arriving in Lisbon, Portugal, checking out the hotel that I booked. This one is not sponsored, but first we need to find the way to the hotel. Maybe a train, maybe a bus, I don't know. I'll just walk around and search for something to do. I was looking here on Google Maps and it says the red line. It looks like the metro. Let's check where we can get some tickets. I saw online that you can just get like a cheap ticket, like 50 cents. Then you put some money on it. I already see some machines to probably buy cards. These are the machines, I think. Bilhetes e passes. Let's just check this yellow machine. English. So this should be the reloadable card, like you can put money on it. Now for detecto, cartão no leitor. I'm pretty sure I pressed English. Why is it still in Portuguese? Now for detecto nunem cartão no leitor. Why is it in Spanish again? Finally got the card. Was a little bit difficult to understand, but finally got it. I think this should be easy. Just check in like this. Boop. No? Oh yeah, let's go. And then we'll have to go the way to Sebastião. So it's just both ways goes to Sebastião. It's not that difficult. This card was like, what did I spend? Like €2 for a one-way ticket. So I'm not sure if I'm at the right way. There's a lot of people here, so might be the right way. The next one's coming 2106, so it should come right now. Looks pretty old. I bought a card. I don't even know what station. I just bought a card for one way, so I don't understand if I bought the right card. It's a little bit weird, Portugal. So it's 2 minutes late, that's fine. At least we're in the right metro train. Looks like a very old school kind of train. Wow. São Sebastião. We made it, the end station of the metro. Now we have to walk like 20 minutes to the hotel and explore Lisbon a little bit. I must say they have like really high escalator. What? This one is out of use. That's not good. What is this? This is an interesting looking trash bin. Never seen a trash bin like this before in my life. You can check out over there. But this is the Azul line. But first we need to play some piano. That's more important. That's not it. It would be nice if they put some text in English because I cannot read Spanish nor Portuguese or whatever language this is. Come on, Portugal. I know you can do better. This is it, guys. The very first breath of Lisbon, Portugal. And what do I see? The first thing I see in Lisbon, Portugal? A little. Come on, guys. This ain't Germany. This building over here, I can't read the text. L cable something something with a Tesla. Looks like a mall. Maybe I will explore that mall tomorrow. And I hear and see an airplane. I saw it in the reflections. Where is it? Oh, it's over there. I don't know if you could see it, but it was really close to the ground. Already looks like a cool looking city. We got a bike lane, but it's not red, it's black. Look at all the P's on the license plates. We're in Portugal, guys. What is this funny looking license plate? Is this normal in Portugal? That license plate had a weird spacing. It looks like all steps are uphill. What is this, guys? Can't we just have a flat country like the Netherlands? So like every touristy city, they have rental bikes. Might try these out because I'm getting a little tired walking everywhere. It's an airplane, but it's just like right above my head. But I must say, on first glance, the streets do look good. Like, yeah, of course there's a few holes here and there. Not that bad. Cool castle over here. Just walking around, seeing a cool castle like this. I love castles. Haven't really gone to much castles in my life. The Estabelecimento Prisional de Lisboa. My Portuguese is not that good, but it sounds like it's a prison. Is this like an actual prison they still use? And they use a castle for that? So help me out, guys. Let me know in the comments. Is this like a ghetto area, or is this like a normal area, a rich area? What kind of area is this? Like the São Sebastião? I think I've been walking for like 15 minutes. The Google Maps said like 20 minutes, so should be almost there. Oop, we got some trash on the ground. I think we're here, guys. Zurin Charm Hotel. Small little cute little hotel. Hello, come to check in my hotel. Giorgio, I have passport. Yes, thank you.
And your room is 304, okay?
Okay.
To get there, you're gonna find a lift to your right.
Okay.
This is the third floor. Breakfast not included, but in case you need, this is the price.
Okay.
Wi-Fi password, and if you need anything, just call number 9, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice stay.
Thank you. So I just checked into the hotel, the Zurin Charm. This looks like a lounge area. No, this is the breakfast area. But there will be breakfast and dining over here. I'm on the 3rd floor and this is on the 1st floor. Floor 3. I'm in room 304, so that should be somewhere around 305, 306. 304. Oh, I hate these kind of rooms where you have to put the key card in. I only have one key card and it powers, so I cannot charge anything while I'm gone. Whoa, blue light, what is this? Oh, this looks pretty good actually. So now it's time again for a hotel room tour. An honest hotel room tour. So it's not a big room, like you can see it all just in one shot, but we do have a very big, it looks like a king size bed with the Zurin Charm branding and a very big mirror. I like this. This is very unique with the blue lighting for in the night. Then we got a TV. I hope they have Netflix. If they don't have Netflix, that's gonna be 1 point less. So let's check out the view. What can I not? Let's check. Wait. Let's check out the view. Okay, then. Open the window. Ooh. Wait, I thought we were only at the 2nd floor, but this is really high. Ooh, but you can see all of the city. That's cool. That's really cool. Hope I don't fall. Feels actually pretty cool. It's like a quiet area with a nice overview of the entire city of Lisbon. And this is really cool. And the room itself, it's not big. Anyway, the last thing we have to check. No, wait. We got like a coffee machine and some water. The last hotel didn't have water, but they had like a sink. And we got the mini fridge. I wonder what's inside. Nothing. There's nothing inside the mini fridge. Why is there nothing in the mini fridge? Usually there's like something. A little thing to sit down, little chair as well. Like I wonder who's this chair for? Like, is someone gonna watch people like being busy on the bed? Like, what's going on here? And this, maybe for the suitcase? We got like a closet with a safe, of course. Not gonna use that. Some more, but there's nothing inside. And how this doesn't open? It doesn't make sense. That's weird. Okay. Anyhow, and then we got one more thing to check out, and that's the bathroom. Okay, the bathroom is small. Like the room itself was small already, and then you have this bathroom, and it's like tiny. Like I almost got claustrophobic. It almost looked like the toilet. Like this entire thing is like the size of the toilet of our previous hotel, the sponsored hotel. But I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. We got a nice high shower. I like that because I'm a tall guy, so I'm not bumping my head into shower heads. That's good. And then we got me and what is this called in English? Hair blower, hair dryer, something like that. Of course, we got some soap and body lotion. We need that because I did not bring that. Ooh, what does this button do? Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So this might not be like a super luxury hotel, but I gotta admit, like all the things that they do have, like the small little details, lighting here that you can turn off and on. I don't know if all hotels in Lisbon have it, but it's pretty cool. But I'm wondering what this is, like blue and red. Like, can you decide how warm your water is here? That's weird. No, it should be there. It's here. That's weird. Not gonna lie. And okay, this is like a really old school key to close the door. It's like the castle vibe of the Portugal. I cannot even turn it. I'm too Western for this. What? It's not closed. Doesn't matter anyway. So they got the same little ventilation system, like the air conditioning. Why is it 28 degrees? That's crazy. That'd be like 18. I'm used to 18. Like, come on, guys. Where's the air? There's nothing. Come here, please. I'm so warm. I'm gonna explore Lisbon tomorrow. I'm gonna make an entire new video for that. It was just a short little update video. Arriving at Lisbon, arriving at my hotel, showing you guys everything. If you want to see me exploring Lisbon, I will do it tomorrow, and you can click on this video right here.